Hello friends, welcome to mechhow.com. Our topic is how to work a single disc clutch system with diaphragm spring. We already learned working principle of clutch in previous video. A clutch is defined as clutch is a machine member. It is used to connect driving shaft to driven shaft so that the driven shaft may be started or stopped will be without stopping the driving shaft. Basically, a clutch system is become with following parts: pressure plate, diaphragm spring, clutch plate also called friction plate, and flywheel which connect to driver shaft of engine. There is exploded view of single disc clutch system. It is shown. A simple sketch is of a single disc clutch is shown. It consists of a clutch plate whose both the sides are faced with a frictional material. Clutch plate is mounted on the hub, which is free to move axially along the spines of the driven shaft. Clutch plate is held between the flywheel and the pressure plate. There are diaphragm springs, which is provide axial force to keep the clutch in engaged position. Both the pressure plate and the flywheel rotate with the engine crankshaft to the driving shaft. The pressure plate pushes the clutch plate towards the flywheel by a set of strong springs, which are arranged radially inside the body. Now we are discuss working of clutch. When the clutch pedal is pressed down, the thrust release bearing is to move in towards the flywheel and pressing the longer ends of the levers. The levers are forced to turn on their suspended pivot, and the pressure plate moves away from the flywheel by the knife edges, thereby compressing clutch springs. This action removes the pressure from the clutch plate, and thus moves back from the flywheel, and the driven shaft becomes stationary. On the other hand, when the foot is taken off from the clutch pedal, the thrust bearing moves back by the lever. This allows the springs to extend, and thus the pressure plate pushes the clutch plate back towards the flywheel. The axial pressure exerted by the spring provides a frictional force when the relative motion between the driving and driven members. Then no slipping takes place, and the power is transmitted from the driving shaft to the driven shaft.
Thank you. For get more knowledge about this topic, visit website mechhow.com. Like us, facebook.com/mechhow. Follow us, twitter.com/mechhow. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.